Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to hide all posts on Instagram at once. Now all you have to do is to go to your Instagram account, launch your Instagram account, and then kindly go to your profile. And as you can see here, I have few posts. Actually, this tutorial is good for those people who have lots of posts on Instagram and they decided or they want to hide all their posts on Instagram. So all you have to do is to tap the three lines and then go to your activity that is below Insights. Tap your activity, and as you can see here, we have time spent, photos and videos, interactions. Well, anyways, these interactions, if you're going to click this one, you can see here the comments like stickers, responses, reviews, not interested. You can see here the previous videos and posts. Anyways, let's move on to photos and videos. So let's just say if you're going to click your post here, including your videos, when you're going to tap this one, you can see your post or the post that people can see in your profile. So what are you going to do to hide all of this is to just simply click the select icon here, or I mean the word here, select, and then kindly tap the picture or the videos that you wanted to hide on your profile. So let's just say I'm going to tap all, or let's just say I'm going to tap at least one. Okay, so I am going to hide this picture and my Instagram, the last one here. And then all you have to do is to click this archive. Archive this post, click archive. And that's it. That's how simple it is to hide all posts on Instagram at once. Please like this video if you find this helpful. And see you again in our next videos.